From the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert Stacia Knight.
We had quite a bit of rain overnight with those strong to severe storms that came through, and some areas picking up over 2 inches. Now, we are concerned about some localized flooding, especially as we go through this week, and we have additional rounds of rain. And in some areas, it will be heavy rain that could lead to flash flooding and maybe even some river flooding. Most of that would be occurring in the northeast corner of the state for the river flooding, especially watching the Neosho River up near Miami. So right now, the rainfall totals since midnight are over 2 inches in Independence, over 2 inches in Bixby, and then there was one pocket from the north side of Hudson Lake down into Jay, into central Delaware County. That is where we probably had 2 to 3 inches. Another large and heavy bucket of rain was from northern McIntosh County back down into the Stigler area in parts of northern Haskell County. So the yellow color, you're talking 2 to 3 inches there. It was a lot of water. Now coming up this afternoon is quiet, but then additional rain expected tomorrow morning. Highest probability of more showers and more thunderstorms tomorrow will be from Tulsa back up to the north and west. Storms will once again fire on the high plains, and then overnight they'll head our way and we'll get the leftovers, which tomorrow morning it doesn't look like the leftovers will be as strong as they were earlier this morning. Here's a quick 48-hour timeline tracking 2 rounds of rain and storms. For tonight, we're okay until about 2 a.m. Just a slight chance of some showers showing up at 2 a.m. on the faster side. And then by the 6 a.m. hour, most of the rain tomorrow morning still west of Tulsa, but approaching by the late morning hour. So our chances go from 20% at 6 a.m. up to 60% by 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. again tomorrow morning. And then we'll see the rain chances start to wind down tomorrow afternoon, but we're actually going to keep rain chances a little longer tomorrow, especially south of Tulsa. You may have some afternoon showers and storms south of the metro in the afternoon and early evening. Then we get a break Tuesday night before additional storms roll through early Wednesday morning. Now Wednesday morning, 70% chance for rain about 6 a.m. as you're trying to get out the door to work. But with those showers and storms will probably develop right on top of us Wednesday morning, and they could be pretty heavy. So here's tonight at midnight, the storms forming again on the high plains, tracking eastward by Tuesday morning, mid-morning. We'll have some of that activity in our area. It could be heavy from time to time. The severe risk is very low, but something we'll be watching for with wind and hail potential. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, here's the showers and storms that I mentioned may impact the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow from Tulsa down to the south. Along outflow boundaries, we may have additional storms that do try to develop. Next round is Wednesday morning, and this round may pack a little bit more of a punch. Early Wednesday morning, 2 a.m., we have showers and storms out in central Oklahoma that could be strong to severe. Then by 7 a.m. Wednesday morning, showers and storms are developing on top of eastern Oklahoma and continuing through the morning hours, but quiet in the afternoon. So we're watching multiple rounds of rain for this week. Thursday will probably be our quietest day, but we can't completely take rain chances out for Thursday. It'll just be a little more isolated. Then one last batch comes through Friday morning, and after that we transition into more of a summer-like pattern for next week. So here's our storm zone for tomorrow, and again, this is mostly going to be tomorrow morning, but there may be an isolated storm tomorrow afternoon south of the metro. Notice most of Oklahoma in the very low risk for severe storms, but out in the panhandle, it's a little higher as storms will be forming well out to our northwest and then moving in our direction early tomorrow morning. So right now it's 78, little sunshine peeking through. It's very humid for the rest of the afternoon, 83 at the 2 o'clock hour, 85 from 4 to 6. We'll track more rain, more thunderstorms coming up, and we'll also take a look at the driller's homestand that starts tomorrow.
Thank you, Stacia.